morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Alright, well, I went to the mall and I found something very unexpected. So, if you guys want to know what I found unexpectedly and my first impressions, stay tuned. Okay, did I ever tell you guys that I used to work at Champs in the 90s? Yeah, in the 90s. Long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, when I used to have straight hair and I wore glasses. I used to work at Champs. And speaking of Champs, that's where I went and picked up a pair of shoes. If you see this box, you pretty much know what it is. You should know what it is, because if you remember all the boxes that used to sit behind me, there used to be a lot of these boxes in there. So we're gonna get rid of that top. And well, first let me do a little story. So I was actually hit the mall twice last weekend, and Friday I went to one mall and didn't see anything. I mean, struck out. Saturday went to the mall, was kind of like a last minute thing, like, hey, you want to go to the mall? I was like, yeah, okay. And walked into Champs and found the Jordan 1 High Brotherhoods. How, Sway? How? These shoes dropped back in February of this year, and I'm like, how the heck was I able to get these shoes in store for retail when these sold out? I was looking at them and they were like, I was like 7.5 men's. We only have an 8, and I was like, 8's gonna be too big. So I was like, all right, let me look around a little bit more. Went down to Foot Locker. No, went to Foot Locker. Didn't see anything. Went upstairs to the other Foot Locker, which we have 2 Foot Lockers at the Galleria. Don't know why. No big deal. So I was like, you know what? Bump it. I'm just going to go back and get these. So I'm going to go back and see if a 8 fits. I slipped my foot in this dang on show. Fit like a glove. So, of course, I went on and grabbed it. So let me go ahead and take the other shoe out the box. Had to do a little quick story time. How I got the shoe. So let's pull the other shoe out the box. Both shoes are not laced. We're going to drop the box on the side. And I'm going to give you guys a little close-up view of the shoes. These are actually, hold up. Let me grab the box one more time. These are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG shoes. The colorway is University Gold Light and Bordeaux. So that's the colorway. Yellow and purple with some white. I'm just gonna, let's take it to the primary colors. Actually, this is more like a lavender. What I love about these shoes is these shoes come with 3 sets of strings. You have the purple or lavender or Bordeaux. And it also comes with a white pair. And you have the gold pair. So you can actually switch up your laces so many different ways, which I think is really cool to be able to do that with these shoes. Let me give you guys, like I said, let me give you all a closer look at the shoe. You have that University Gold on the toe with the Bordeaux color going all the way around, even onto the swoosh. You have the gold on the back with the Bordeaux Jumpman here on the side. Your tongue is white with your Nike Air on the tongue right there. Sock liner. Let's pull this out. We got a gold and Bordeaux sock liner, and yes, that is a men's size 8 shoe. Normally, you guys know I'm normally a 7.5, but now knowing that I can wear an 8 comfortably, so if I can find something that they run out of a 7.5, I can still go to an 8, which is really great. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, the gold is also on the bottom. I've heard different things that apparently there are some people that didn't go after this shoe because they didn't know how to style this shoe. I don't know about that. I I will put on a full gray sweatsuit and put this shoe on and be done with it and just make this the pop of color. I have plenty of bags around here that would work. I don't understand how anybody could not be able to find something. You got a t-shirt in your collection. You got something. Make the shoe, you can have the shoes be the standout of your outfit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, do a couple of modeling, you know, give you guys a little modeling of the shoe and you know what I do with it and stuff like that. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to close this out. Okay, for the first look, we're for the Brotherhood Air Jordan 1 highs. I went with a pair of shorts and a Prince t-shirt. Okay, here's the thing. I don't wear shorts very much. So to see me in a pair of shorts this far above my knee, this is giving, I gotta run some errands. I just closed on my first home because technically this is the outfit, subtract the shoe, that I wore to close on this house that I'm standing in right now. So, for nostalgia's sake, these shorts I picked up from Target. These are from the, I cannot think of the collection. Their denim collection that they have. Their in-house denim collection. T-shirt also is from Target. It's a nice fit. A cool tie-dye Prince shirt, you know, young Prince. I styled it with my Gucci backpack and my Chloe shades. These are my psycho killer. I call these my serial killer glasses because, you know, if you think about it, serial killers always wear aviators. Not all of them, but a good amount of them. Look it up. You'll understand what I'm saying. So, but yeah, I just wanted to do this real casual. Still keep the high top going. Show off some legs. I need a tan. That means I really need to get out in the sun because I'm looking real light skinned right now. So, but yeah, this is the first look that I wanted to do with the Brotherhoods. I wanted to pull the purple out. So this was a good way to pull it out. All right, and for this next look with the Brotherhoods, I went 90s on you. Big baggy overalls, folded down that front so you can see my t-shirt, my graphic tee, my Star Wars graphic tee. I believe this was a Christmas present from my niece. She's probably shaking her head yes or no on this. I don't remember, but I'm gonna ask her when I see her, but I don't remember. I'll have it on the screen if that is what she got me. Overalls are from H&M that I picked up, I think last year. Of course, you got the Brotherhood highs. I've just pulled out some purple. If I didn't have the overalls on, you would also see yellow in this shirt to also pull out the yellow. For the bag, I pulled my Stod bag that I picked up from Farfetch some time ago. If you guys want to see me do a review on this bag, let me know. I carried this bag pretty much the whole winter. And it's, I mean, it got that nylon material because y'all know the 90s, we back in with the nylon. Prada, you know, pulled out their re-edition. I didn't feel like paying Prada prices, so I got this instead. Sunglasses, nice cool square sunglasses from Kate Spade. You just want to run some errands, you just want to get out, get up, get out, get something, you know, do what you got to do. This is what I went with for this second look. And yeah, nice casual vibes. Want to be big and baggy. I don't feel like being bothered. Just get up, just go. Make these moves. All right, that is it for this video. Like I said, I have already stuck my foot in these and the shoe is extra comfortable. I love, you can do a lot with this shoe. I like the fact that you're not really stuck with one thing, one color. I mean, you could do a yellow situation, you got your purple situation, you got your white. You have a lot of possibilities with styling this shoe. So, you know, you can figure it out. I'm gonna get out of here. That is it. I'm actually on lunch. Like normal. I do these videos on lunch. I'm on lunch, so I'm gonna get on out of here. If you guys have any questions about these shoes, where I picked them up, the whole thing, I'm gonna have links below of if I can find links, probably resale links. Sorry, y'all. That might be the only way I can get it. Find the link for you. I will have things linked below as much as I can. If you guys have any questions, please talk to me below in this video here on YouTube, and I can answer them as quickly as I can. Also, if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everybody. Also, if you want to read some things, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I'm gonna, you know, where I just talk about stuff that's on my mind, stuff that's going on in my life, things like that. And that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll talk to you guys later. Love, peace, hair products, lifestyle, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye. Let's go put you in your spills knot. Actually, hold on.